If you're looking to start or grow your Amazon business, you probably know that product research is the make or break step. Today, I'm going to share with you the 5 best tools for Amazon product research that can help you find winning products, stay ahead of trends, and maximize your profits. Let's jump right in. Let's start with Helium 10. If you ask most successful Amazon sellers what tool they use, chances are they'll mention Helium 10. Why? Because it's not just a single tool, it's an entire toolbox designed for every stage of your Amazon journey. From finding products, to optimizing listings, to managing inventory, it really does it all. It includes keyword research, competitor tracking, product monitoring, profit calculations, and one of the most popular features, Black Box, which helps you find profitable products fast. Helium 10 starts at $39 per month, but the Platinum plan at $99 per month is where most sellers get the best value. It's an investment, but it can easily pay for itself if you're serious about selling on Amazon. Next up is Jungle Scout, one of the first major tools created just for Amazon sellers. It's been around for years, and thousands of sellers swear by it. Think of Jungle Scout as your data detective. It digs deep into Amazon's numbers and gives you insights that help you make smarter decisions. Its core strengths are product tracking, sales estimates, and competitor analysis. It's particularly good at showing you if a product is actually selling consistently or if it's just a temporary fad. You can use the web app to search for product opportunities by applying filters like demand, price, or reviews. Or use the Jungle Scout Chrome extension to instantly see sales estimates and revenue potential while browsing Amazon listings. Jungle Scout starts at $49 per month, but if you commit to a yearly plan, it drops to around $29 per month. It's a great choice if you want reliable data and a tool that's proven by years of use. Now, let's talk about something a little different. Exploding topics. Unlike Helium 10 or Jungle Scout, this tool isn't just about Amazon. Instead, it helps you find emerging trends across the internet before they go mainstream. Imagine spotting a product category just as people start to get interested, but before everyone else jumps on it, that's exactly what this tool helps you do. It identifies rising trends by analyzing search data, online chatter, and market signals. The result? You get a list of products and niches that are just starting to gain traction. You can browse their trending topics database or search within a specific industry. Once you spot an opportunity, you can then cross-check it on Amazon using Helium 10 or Jungle Scout to see if it has selling potential. Exploding Topics Pro starts at $39 per month. It's not Amazon-specific, but when paired with an Amazon tool, it's like having a crystal ball that shows you what's coming next. Next, we have AMZ Scout. This tool is especially popular with beginners and budget-conscious sellers. While it may not be as feature-packed as Helium 10, it still gives you the essentials you need to validate a product idea. Think of it as your budget-friendly product research assistant. It offers product databases, keyword tracking, competitor analysis, and a really handy Chrome extension that shows you sales data right on the Amazon page. Simply install the Chrome extension, go to any product page, and AMZ Scout will instantly display estimated sales, reviews, and profit margins. It's quick and easy, which makes it perfect for someone just getting started. AMZ Scout costs $59.99 per month, but if you go for their yearly plan, it's only about $33 per month, making it one of the cheapest options on this list. And finally, we have Keepa. Now, Keepa might not look as flashy as the other tools, but don't underestimate it. It's simple, affordable, and extremely powerful for what it does best, tracking product history. If you've ever wondered whether a product sells year-round or only during the holiday season, Keepa is the tool you want. It tracks price history, sales rank, and availability for millions of products on Amazon. This helps you avoid products that look great in the moment but have unstable demand over time. You just install the Keepa browser extension, and whenever you open an Amazon product page, it automatically shows you charts with historical data like prices, sales rank, and stock levels. Keepa is very affordable at just €19 per month, about $21 USD. For the insights it gives, it's honestly a must-have even alongside other tools. So those are the 5 best Amazon product research tools, and if you're just starting out and want something simple, Keepa or AMZ Scout can definitely get the job done. But if you're serious about building a profitable Amazon business, our top recommendation is Helium 10. It's not just a research tool, it's an all-in-one platform that helps you find winning products, track competitors, optimize your listings, and manage your business from start to finish. Yes, it costs more than the others, but the features and time it saves you make it worth every dollar. And to make it even better, you can grab it with a 10% off coupon code, linked in the description. So if I had to choose just one tool to rely on for Amazon FBA success, it would be Helium 10. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Amazon tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.